Preparing the tree for grafting. Just cut some of these limbs off. Hitting some more here. Saving the grafts for later. Sending energy to the healing to this graft. These will all come back eventually. These are a little small for grafting, I've been learning, but I use them for smoking. Not me personally, the branch, but the fish, meat, whatever you got in the smoker. Little baby grape, graft 1, graft 2, and I'm ready to graft on something to here. I'm thinking going down here, cutting this down, grafting on there. This is grafted. Got a bunch of energy coming out of here, so I'm thinking topping it right here and grafting that as well. Alrighty, what am I grafting? The nectar plum. Turning that peach that I have from root 6 years into a nectar plum. And I want a really nice size branch, but I don't want to cut her too deep. Ah! I gotta do what I gotta do. There it is. She'll grow just fine back. All right. Where is my mama? So I'm cutting all this extra energy off so it grafts on. I could try to graft these little ones, but from experience, man, they're 2-year-olds, 1-year-olds, 1 2-year-olds, no. You want a nice big size. This is like a 4 or 5-year-old branch. A lot more cushion for it to graft on. If that makes any sense, because the branch is dying off as it's trying to heal, and it's healing to the next branch. So this, as you can see where the shoot was coming from, that's where I start cleaning it. I want it alive, and then I want it thin enough to slide right in. And then the next shoot, this is really critical. Right here. This is the energy. This is the living next home of the branch that I just cut off. That I'm... God. Trimming down. I'm gonna slip all that in. This whole section. So this one is a little higher up top, so I'm gonna clean it and scar it. But when I say scar it, you want to get through the cambrium. It's the first layer of your tissue on a branch, and that's what's gonna heal onto the center of the next branch where you're trying to graft it onto. Boom, boom. Clean all this up so it's nice and fresh. Giving it an edge. Just like that. Oh yeah, I feel like a teacher right now in an office. I've been sitting in lectures. I've sat in them. Bunch of old farts that don't even know how to speak English. Be on breathe straight. No disrespect. Just different generation. That's what I want to say. Alright, coating this cutie. Boom, boom. Nice and lubed up. Grafting, I tell you, so sexual. Alright, nicely lubed up. Now, I'm gonna grab my loppers. A nice fresh cut. Let me show you this. Right where all that new growth is. That's what I'm going for. Alright. Give it an angle. Opa! Nothing too serious. Perfect. I'm gonna clean up all those runners. So right on that knuckle is where I'm going for the graft. The knuckle's where all that extra energy is to create all that new growth. So that's what I'm going for. I'm learning as I'm working. Opa. Cut it right off. Alright, I'm gonna give it some new growth. Well, fuck it. I just cut that whole section off. Ooh, perfect. Nice and fresh. Alright, check this out. Oh, let's see here. So I got a slice in there. I got this coated. Sliding it in. Hoppa. Oh, there you go. And that's gonna heal up, creating, hopefully, new plant shoots. Gotta bind it up real quick. Let me show you. Okay, what I'm working with. Got some stronger stuff, lighter stuff. This stuff rips a little quicker than this. Alright. Perfect. Perfect. Ah. Both grafts rocking and rolling. 3 grafts, excuse me. 1. Then I go up here. Got the 2nd and the 3rd. There is room for 1 more here. Thinking about it. Grow big.